In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a video from HeyGen. We'll keep this simple and clear. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Google. Using a search engine helps you reach the correct site quickly, especially if you don't have it bookmarked. In the search bar, type HeyGen, then look for the official HeyGen result. It should clearly show the brand name and lead you to their app or homepage. Go ahead and click that result to open HeyGen. Once the site loads, you'll see a navigation panel on the left. From there, choose Projects. This is where all your creations are organized. Think of it as your dashboard for finished and in-progress videos. If a video is still rendering, exporting won't be available yet, so it's best to work with one that's already complete. Exporting in this context simply means downloading a copy of your video to your computer. On the Projects page, locate the specific video you want to export. When you find it, move your mouse over the three dots that appear near that video's thumbnail or title. Those three dots are the More Options menu. Hovering makes the menu visible, so you can access actions tied to that project. From the menu, click Download. In most browsers, this triggers your download right away, but some interfaces ask for a final confirmation. If you see a confirmation prompt, simply click Download again to proceed. This helps prevent accidental downloads and ensures you've selected the correct file. Your browser will begin saving the video to your default Downloads location. If you've configured your browser to ask where to save files, you'll see that prompt now. The file is typically an MP4, which works well with most editors and players. Large projects may take a bit longer, so keep your tab open and maintain a stable internet connection until the download finishes. Once it's complete, you're all set. You now have a local copy of your HeyGen video you can back up, share, or bring into editing software. Your browser's downloads list will show the progress and the saved location, and the file name will match your project. If nothing appears to happen, it's often just the browser managing the transfer in the background. Pop-up or download restrictions can sometimes delay the prompt, so watch for any on-screen notices. That's the entire process for exporting a video from HeyGen. Simple, reliable, and fast. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part if you want to follow along step by step.